So again, one more time, property. This property says as if two inscribed angles intercept the same arc, then the angles are congruent. You can see here, they are taking in front of them the same parts of the arc. So because of that, the measure of angle B and the measure of angle D is the same, okay? And another property, an angle inscribed in a semicircle, we know what does mean semicircle, half of the circle, okay? This part, for example, from A to B, this is a semicircle. An angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle. What does it mean? Look, the angle AMB. They are taking here, if I will continue, the arc that they are intercepting is the half of the circle. 180 degrees it will be. Can you see? So because of that, this angle is 90 degrees. Also, this one will be 90 degrees. Also, if I will draw one more angle here, but the end points of the angle will be in A and B, also this one will be 90 degrees. Any angle that you will draw here will be 90 degrees, okay? Did we understand?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
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 Now here in this example, in this one, find the value of x and y in each figure. So here in this figure, you have x and y, but both of them, they're intercepting the same arc, CD, and it's given the measure of the arc that is 40 degrees. So what will be the measure of angle x? One more time.
40 over 2, it will be 20.
So x is equal to y, they will be same, and both of them will be 40 over 2, which is 20 degrees, okay? What about here in the other example? What will be the value of x? It's
90 degrees.
It's 90 degrees.
Right angle.
Yes, it's 90 degrees because it is in the semicircle, inscribed in a semicircle. Okay, did we understand?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Okay, are you writing? I can wait if you're writing.
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher. I'm right.
Okay.
But I'm finished, teacher.
Okay. Now here we have some more examples. This one and this one. Now here in B, in the first one, let me take it like this or like this to have place to write something. In the first one, in B, we need to find x and y. Firstly, that they are intercepting, it's the same arc. Can you see? BC, it's that it is 50 degrees. But one of them is inscribed angle, the other one is central angle.
Y will be 50 and X will be 25.
25.
Yes, y will be 50. Why? Because we said that in central angles are the same as the arc. But inscribed angles is the half of the arc. So y is equal to 50 degrees, x is equal to 50 over 2, which is 25 degrees. Okay, guys, others. Are we clear with this?
Yes.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, here what we have, again we have x, y, and one angle is given as 20 degrees. Look, all these angles, three angles we have. If I will call them like A, O, and D, we have three angles here. And A is 20 degrees, and all these three angles are intercepting the same arc, BC, here.
A and D will be 20.
X will be 20.
Yes.
X will be 20 and Y will
20
be
degrees because they are both of them are inscribed angles and they are intercepting the same arc. What about the y?
The 40.
Then y will be 2 times 20, which is 40 degrees. Okay, and here we need to find this one, arcs.
Teacher, is that an angle?
No, we are looking here for the arcs, the arc AD and the arc BC.
Teacher, y will be
20.
40, and then we
40.
will do 180 minus 60 minus 40.
So here we have y. This one is like an inscribed angle, yeah? It's not in the center, it's in the part of the circle here. So the arc opposite of this angle will be two times of the angle, which will be 40 degrees. So this arc is 40 degrees, this arc is 60. So x plus 60 plus 40 will be 180, yes? This is a semicircle, half of the circle, semicircle. Then x will be, x plus 100 will be 180, so x is equal to 80.
Absolutely.
Okay, guys? Alex,
Yes.
okay?
It's okay, teacher. Yes, teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Tringa,
Yes, teacher.
it's okay?
I think so, yeah.
Kind of, huh?
Yeah, kind of. I get the
And not-
logic, but like I don't know why I get stuck. But like I understand it, but I don't understand it at the same time.
A good explanation. I'm understanding, but also I'm not understanding. Here in C, Alexander, what we'll do?
In which one, teacher?
C, here in this C, this one.
In C? Teacher,
Yes, we need to find X. This one.
Y will be 20.
Do we have any Y here?
No, we don't have.
We don't have Y here. So how we are working here in this kind of questions? The opposite arcs, let me say it like that, the arcs that these angles are intercepting, what we said, if the angle is 20, arc is 2 times of the angle, will be 40. So here I have an angle, inscribed angle, and this arc from A to C will be 2 times of the angle, yes? 2x, this part. Am I right, Alexander?
Yes.
Yes, and this angle here, 10 degrees, which is the arc that intercepts this angle, is BC. And what will be 2 times 10, which is 20. So this
Yes.
part is,
So ADB will be 90 degrees.
which one?
ADB.
ADB, the angle you mean? If you will draw an
Yes.
angle like this, it is 90 degrees, yes. But here, this arc, one more thing that we have, we know that this arc from A to B is 180 degrees, yes? It's semicircle,
So
the diameter. So what will be 2x plus 20 will be 108.
8.
Then 2x will be 180 minus 20, which is 160. Then x will be 80 degrees. Okay? Did we?
Yes. No, teacher, I don't understand this.
Teacher, if we draw,
Yes.
okay.
Can you repeat one more time all the steps?
Okay.
Yes.
Teacher, if we draw a line from D to B, we do 2 inscribed angles, and it will be 20, 20. It will be 10.
Teacher.
Okay, I get it now. Okay.
I
No.
tried to solve the first C. No,
You're not looking what am I explaining, what am I writing and showing here in the screen, or what are you looking while I'm explaining? Yeah, Alexander.
I tried, teacher, to solve again this C, the first C.
Guys, are you looking to the screen that I'm sharing, or you're looking
Yes,
to
yes.
Instagram while I'm explaining the lesson, or you're looking to Facebook, or maybe Twitter, maybe YouTube?
No, teacher.
At the screen, teacher.
At the screen? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay,
Screen.
these are our last lessons, as I know. We'll see, guys. I mean, you will see by yourself what will happen in the future. We finish somehow the year, but you will see then later.
Teacher, will we have the circles in the exam?
I am not sure. I was not planning not to make you to study more, but if you're not taking me serious, I have to make you to take me serious. So
Teacher, there is another way to solve this question.
maybe I can ask one question. Yes, Salvan, how you will solve?
Teacher, we can draw a line from D to B. Can
Okay.
you? Yes. And now, teacher, the D angle is the same as A angle.
Yeah.
You know, because it is 20, 20.
Yes. Okay.
It will be 10, that angle.
Okay.
We also know that it is a semicircle now, and it will be
Yes.
90 minus 10, it's 80.
So x plus 10 will be 90 degrees. So x is equal to 80 degrees. Yes. Okay. Also, this is a way. If you want, I can explain one more time my way, what I did. I took this angle ADC. It's an inscribed angle. The arc that this angle intercepts is from A to C. And we know from the properties that if this angle is x degrees, this arc is 2x. Yes? Are we
Yes.
this? And here I have one more angle, inscribed angle, which is BAC, and it's given that it is 10 degrees. And the arc that this angle intercepts is B from B to C. If this angle is 10 degrees, this arc is 2 times 10, 20 degrees. So we know that if AB is a diameter, we know that from A to B, this arc is semicircle. We called it semicircle, and it is 180 degrees. So 2x plus 20 is equal to 180. We said then with the normal math operations, we found that x is equal to 80 degrees. Also, Salman's way is easier if you will see it directly. You can do also that one. You will form a right angle here in the semicircle. We know it from the properties. When you will draw a line here from B to D, we know that this one is a semicircle, and in the previous property we said that this angle is 90 degrees. At the same time, the angle CDB has the same arc with the angle CAB, and we said that they will be congruent angles. This part will be 10. If this part is 10, x will be 80 degrees. And this is another way to solve. It's okay now?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Here we have some more questions. You can choose which one to solve.
Teacher, the third one.
The third.
Yeah, the third one. Yeah.
Are you sure? So here, guys, ABD. Look, we have a straight line here. One part is 120. What will be the other part?
60. 60.
It will be 60. Let me make it bigger. This one I will take here. So we are solving this. So this part is 60 degrees, yes?
Yeah.
Look the arc from A to C. What will be the measure of this arc if this angle is 60 degrees?
60
120.
It will
120
120,
Yeah.
yes, teacher.
it will be. Then the X is central angle, yes?
It will be 120.
So X will be 120 degrees. What about this question? Second one.
Teacher, which angle are we looking for?
Which angle? OCA. OCA, this one. This angle here. The small one. This one. $70 is given here, like BKC is 70. This angle BAC is 30. We're looking
Uh,
at this.
yeah.
What
It
you,
will be CAB will be 60.
you mean the arc?
Yeah, that the arc will be 60.
BC. Because here you have this angle 30, the arc will be 60. Then
It will be 70 minus 60, 10.
why 70 minus 60?
Because teacher, when we do also from A, yeah.
Maybe it will be 10. I'm not sure, but why 70 minus 60?
Because teacher, from
Explanation.
central we have 60.
So this angle BOC, because it has this arc, this angle here,
It will be 60. OKC will be 180 minus 70.
so this part is 60, and we have measure of angle OKC, which is 180 minus 70, which is
110.
110.
And OCK will be 180 minus 60 minus 110.
Yes. So you can do also this one, 60 plus 110 plus x, the angle that we are looking for. It's 180, so this is 170. And then x is equal to 10 degrees. But your explanation is not enough, Salman. As I said, it is 10 again, but with your explanation, only 70 minus 60 to say it's...
Teacher, it looked like 10 degrees.
It looks like... Don't look to the figures. It is not always the real ones. What you can say, what you can say, what we said in triangles, 2 interior angles will give you 1 exterior angle. 60 plus x will be 70. Then in that one, in that case, you can say that 70 minus 60 is 10, but not like, imagination.
Yeah.
Okay. And do we have more? Let's see here what we have.
Teacher, can you go a little bit up to take screenshot?
Okay. It's okay.
It's okay.
What about the fifth one? I think that the fourth one is not problem.
Yeah, it's the same as, yeah.
Somehow we can solve it. But what about the fifth one? And fifth one is not hard.
Teacher, we only do it a semicircle.
And what will help you the semicircle?
ACO will be 90 minus.
Yeah, 90 minus 40. Well, yeah.
ACO will be 90 minus 40, which will be this part, I mean?
Yes.
Is? What is 50?
Yeah, 50, but
And then what is the angle X?
wait.
How you'll find x? It's very easy.
I know, teacher, but I'm blocked right now.
Others, guys? How happy you are the others in the math? Like 40 minutes. I don't know what you're doing there. No voice, no picture of you, no anything. Like empty lessons, huh? Yes, guys, what will be x? OA, OC, the sides OA, OC. There is a triangle AOC, yes? Or the triangle OCB.
Yes.
The sides OA and OC, what are they?
They are the same.
They are the same because they are the radius, yes?
Yes.
So if they are the same, if this one is same with this one, what will be x?
40.
Why 40?
50.
50 too.
50, yeah.
It
Because
looked like 40.
it is an isosceles triangle here, and because of that, x will be 50 degrees. Okay, did we understand?
Yes.
Yes?
No, teacher.
No? Which part you didn't understand, Alexander?
How you find 50?
What we said in the, like 5 minutes ago maybe, or let's say 10 minutes ago, if it is a semicircle, if you're drawing an angle, inscribed angle in semicircle, it will be, we said 90 degrees, yes?
Yeah.
This one, let me show you the property. This one, an angle inscribed in a semicircle is a right angle, this one's. So if it is, look, the diameter is here. This part is semicircle and this part is semicircle, half of the circle, 180 degrees. The arc is 180 degrees. And as you can see, the end points of these two angles here, it's on the semicircle in A and B, yes? So because of that, these angles will be 90 degrees. Okay, Alexander?
Yes, teacher.
So here in our question here, as you can see, AB is the diameter. It passes from the center and its diameter, and this angle here will be 90 degrees. So if this one is 40, this one will be 50. Because these sides, OA, OC, they are the radius, they will be the same. Here we have an isosceles triangle, and then if this one is 50, also this one will be 50 degrees. Okay?
Yes.
Let's say yes. Let's say okay, huh? How many minutes? We have 6 minutes. We have
5.
5. There are lots of more examples about arcs and angles, guys. I mean, also you can see in the book. But now I will give you for 5 minutes only, so only to show you the area of a circle. Area.
And we finish the circles.
I don't know if you have seen before. I mean, it's not like all finishing, but at least we saw all the properties. You need to solve different kind of questions to understand the problem.
I think we have got this in elementary school.
Yes, you,
Something like
yes,
this,
you
but-
have, yes, you
Yes.
have seen area of the circle. The area of a circle is P times the square of the radius. So A is equal to P times R square. Always you will use this one for the area. This part is the area that we are talking about, the inner part of the circle, how much area it takes. So here, as you see, we have some questions. If radius is given, how you will find the area? A A is equal to P times R square if the radius is given only. So you
Will be
P times 6
6
square, which is
is 30.
36 pi. Or here, guys, if in the question doesn't say that take pi as 3 or write, I mean, if they are not asking from you the exact, answer like a number, you will use only with like this 36 pi and it's enough, okay? But in some questions, if it says in parentheses, take pi as 3, and then you will do 36 times 3, okay?
Okay.
Find the radius of a circle with area 16 pi centimeters square. So here area is given 16 pi. We are looking for the radius. So I'm writing 16 pi is equal to pi.
We will cancel each other,
The
so
formula is pi.
I will
And
put
then the
this-
pi's will go. Then r square is equal to 16. R is equal to 4. And here it says find the area of a circle with the circumference. You know what does mean circumference? There are
Not really.
areas. Circumference,
Yes, but I'm not sure.
the perimeter of the square. Circumference, let me write you, is 2pr always.
Okay, teacher.
2pr. So if circumference is 10p, it will be 2pr, then p's will go. 2r is equal to 10, then r is equal to 5. Okay?
Okay. So
General things about the area. What you may see.
But teacher, there is to find the area, not only R.
Okay, find the area. It's not r. So a is equal to p times r square. So it will be a will be p times 5 square, which is 25. Okay. What is the unit? Centimeter square. This one is centimeter and this one is centimeter square. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Here we have area of an annulus. Annulus is a region bounded by two concentric circles. For example, here, look, we have one bigger circle, we have one smaller circle, and area of the annulus will be the bigger circle minus the smaller circle. Only this part. We're
Like the ring.
Yeah, like the ring. We're talking about this part, okay?
Okay.
What will be the bigger circle, area of the bigger circle minus the area of the smaller circle. So here, as you see, it's given an example. We have bound by concentric circles with radii 5 centimeters and 3 centimeter long. The bigger circle's radius is 5 centimeters. So A1, I will say, will be PR1 square, which is P5
25.
square, so it will be 25p. The second one, the smaller circle, will be PR2 square, which is p times 3 square, 9p. So area of annulus will be 25p minus 9p, which is
16.
16 centimeter square.
Will we have this in the exam, teacher? Solving with area?
No, maybe area, no, but one question with angles in a circle you may have. Okay?
Okay.
So we have less than 1 minute, guys. See you, as I said, I will inform you if I will be your supervisor in the exam, if I can arrange. We'll see, okay? I will inform you. If I'm not saying anything, it means that it is the normal.
So teacher, we will have 35 minutes or 40 minutes?
I will give you 40 minutes. I will talk with the teacher, even if I am not your supervisor.
Okay, teacher. Thank
Okay.
you so much.
Teacher.
Bye.
Thank you, teacher.
Bye,
Bye.
teacher.
Bye.
Bye.
See
See
you.
you.
Bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Sir, you will open assignment to